Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever sat down to study and opened the book, and within 5 minutes, your brain distracts and it wants to do something else? You check your phone, you start cleaning your desk, and you suddenly remember that you need to reply a message. You even feel tired, even though you have not done anything. And then suddenly a thought will come. Maybe I don't have the discipline. If you ever felt like this, then I want you to hear something. You are not broken. You are not an indisciplined student. The real reason behind why you feel like I am not very disciplined is because you are fighting 2 lakh years of human evolution with a tool called willpower that was never designed for the modern life. Today, I want to explain what actually is happening inside your brain when you want to study, when you start studying. And once you understand this, something powerful happens. You stop hating yourself and you start designing a system that actually works for you. Your brain has two systems, the Elephant and the Rider. A psychologist named Jonathan, he has explained the psychology with a simple metaphor. An elephant and a rider. So let's just try to crack that metaphor. Imagine two parts of your brain, the rider and the elephant. The rider is your rational part of brain. It always makes the plans. It says things like, I will study for 3 hours today. But the elephant is your emotional brain. The elephant naturally wants comfort, entertainment, easy rewards. Now, here is the actual problem. The rider thinks it is in control, but if a 5-ton elephant, if it wants to move somewhere else, the rider cannot stop it. It just holds and screams. This is why discipline feels impossible. So your discipline is like a rider. Most students spend their energy in training their rider. They make plans, buy beautiful planners, set goals, but nobody teaches them how to train their elephant. And your elephant, it hates which it feels boring, hard, lonely, uncertain, which unfortunately describes studying. So, when you are not able to study, it does not mean that you are lazy. It simply means that your elephant is stronger than your rider. Your brain is addicted to immediate rewards. Your brain is built in such a way that it wants the immediate rewards now. Scientists call this as delayed discounting. Your brain values a small reward today more than a bigger reward tomorrow. Now compare this. Scrolling social media, what it is? It's a reward in 2 seconds. Studying for an exam, it's a reward which may take 2 weeks, it may take 1 month, 2 months, isn't it? So, to your brain, the longer reward or the reward which has a delayed time, it is almost invisible to your brain. Research even shows that a reward can lose 50% of its motivational value in just delay of 1 day. So when you try to study, your brain feels like you're working almost for nothing. This is why discipline feels so hard. Your brain cannot feel the future. Willpower is a limited battery. Another important research in psychology is willpower, it works like a battery. You wake up with lots of energy, but every decision drains it. Resisting your phone, paying attention in the class, making choices during the day, talking to people. By evening, your brain is completely exhausted. And then the students, they sit at 8 p.m. and they try very hard to study. But the battery is already empty. So they say, I have no discipline. But the truth is simpler. You are trying to run a marathon with an empty tank. The pain of starting is the real enemy. Here is something again the researchers have discovered a fascinating thing. Students rated the pain of studying like this. First 5 minutes, very painful. After 10 minutes, less painful. After 20 minutes, almost comfortable. But again, the very bad part is your brain remembers only the first 5 minutes. So every time when you start studying or when you want to study, your brain says, no thanks, that was terrible last time. But the strange truth is, studying is not painful, but starting is very painful. Your brain works in 90-minute cycle. Another most important biological fact that most students do not know is your brain runs in 90 minutes energy cycle. You can focus deeply for about 90 minutes. Then your brain needs a short break. But unfortunately, some students they try to study very hard for straight 4 hours. After 2 hours the brain crashes and they think I cannot focus. But no human can focus forever. Your brain needs simply a rhythm. The perfection trap. Many students secretly believe this rule. If I cannot study for straight 4 hours, then it is pointless. This is a dangerous trap because 15 minutes of imperfect study is far better than 0 hours of study. But perfectionism it turns small effort into failure and eventually people stop even trying also because they are craving for that perfectionism. So perfectionism is difficult. It cannot stay. We cannot give the perfectionism all the time. The most important aspect is once you start, when you start, automatically the perfectionism gradually comes by training or by improvising your skill or updating yourself day by day, right? So the important factor over here is first you start, leave about the perfectionist. So when discipline fails, impossible, then this is what actually is happening. Your elephant it wants comfort. Your brain it cannot feel future reward. Your willpower battery is empty. Your memory exaggerates the pain of starting. Your body needs breaks and your expectations are unrealistic. No wonder if it feels hard, right? By keeping all the above things, no wonder if it feels hard. But this also means something more powerful. You are not the problem. Your system is the problem. Successful. You have to remember one thing. Successful students are not the one who have the superhuman willpower. They are the ones who design their environment around the brain. They do simple things like study earlier in the day, remove distractions, use timers, take break. They don't fight with their brain. They understand their brain environment and they start working with. So start with this one simple experiment. Tomorrow morning, try something small. Before you check your phone, just study for 10 minutes, not 1 hour, not 3 hours. Just 10 minutes, then just stop. Do this every morning for a week. What most students will discover will be surprising. Once you start, your brain often says, well, I'm already here, and you continue. Because discipline is not about studying for hours. It's all about winning that first 10 minutes. If you watched this video and felt like I was describing your life, I want you to know something. You are not lazy, you are not weak, and you are definitely not alone. Millions of students are trying to study with systems that were never designed for how the brain actually works. And that is exactly why I have created my learning framework. Not to help students study for more hours, but to help them with focused study, better memory, and systems that actually work with the brain. If you want to learn it step by step, I explain it in my free masterclass session. You can find the link in the description. And if this video helped you to understand better about your brain, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a student who thinks that they do not have the discipline. Because here we just don't learn how to study. We learn how the brain actually works, and that changes everything. I will see you in the next video.